Most people waste the weeks before summer doing random workouts and eating kinda healthy, and then wonder why they still don't look the way they want to at the beach. Here's the truth. You don't need more time. You need the right exercises and the right structure, because when those two things click, your body changes fast. I'm talking V-taper, wide lats, full arms, and legs that don't embarrass you in swim trunks. This video gives you exactly that. Every exercise, every progression, and the exact circuit I use to get to my leanest heading into summer. Let's go. Pull, the demon back and big arms. If you want that toji physique, the wide, flared lats that show even through a shirt, the Gironda pull-up is the move. Unlike a regular pull-up, you're pulling your chest all the way to the bar, leaning back almost horizontally, driving your elbows behind you. It hits your lats, upper back, and lower back all at once. It's basically what would happen if a front lever row and a pull-up fused. Brutal. Nothing builds a demon back faster. Not there yet? Arch back pull-up, so your first step. Same chest to bar intent, less lean. Feet still on the floor? Do arch back jackknife pull-ups. Same effect, fraction of the weight. Now, a wide back only goes so far if your arms look like string. That's where L-sit chin-ups come in. You do a chin-up, but with your legs held straight out in front. Your biceps pull, your core locks in, and there's zero room to cheat or kip. It also compresses your waist, which makes your V-taper look even more pronounced. If the full L-sit isn't there yet, bend the knees. Same drill, easier lever. Finish pulling with front lever raises. Dead hang, tuck the knees, and drive your arms straight down toward your hips like a bodyweight lat pull-down, except instead of the bar moving, you move toward it. Lats and core in one shot. Start tucked, extend your legs as you get stronger. Push. Chest, shoulders, triceps. For a chest that actually pops, you need dynamic, explosive push-ups. Explode off the ground and travel through space. This builds fast twitch fibers for a dense, full look, and it spikes your heart rate so you're burning fat at the same time. Two birds, one push-up. Now let's talk about what actually makes a V-taper look insane. Boulder shoulders. And my go-to for building them is wall walks. Push-up position, feet walk up the wall, and hands walk toward it until you're nearly inverted. Hold 3 to 5 seconds at the top, then walk back down. Every single rep is a full-body front raise. Do 5 of these and your shoulders will be shaking. Bridge the two with dive bomber push-ups. Pike position, swoop your chest to the ground, drive forward into an upward dog, then reverse. Chest, shoulders, and triceps through one full fluid movement. Keep your core tight, hips level, and don't rush it. Legs. You are not getting away with chopstick legs. I will find you on that beach. Don't let it happen. Jumping squats. Explode up, land soft on the balls of your feet. Builds your quads and glutes while keeping your heart rate elevated. Then jumping Bulgarian split squats. 1 foot elevated, 1 on the ground, explode up each rep. These isolate each leg, fix imbalances, and they are absolutely humbling. You'll love hating them. Finish with walking lunges for constant tension. Chest up, knees tracking forward, slow and controlled. Add weight if you can. A backpack, a bag of rice. Be creative. The summer circuit. How to put it all together. Here's where most people mess up. Good exercises with bad structure gets you nowhere. 3 to 4 days a week, full body, circuit style. Pick 9 exercises, 3 pulls, 3 pushes, 3 legs, and rotate them. Push, pull, legs. Push, pull, legs. Do each for 45 seconds, rest 15 to 30 seconds between, then cap every round with 45 seconds of burpees. Full rest for 5 minutes, then repeat. 3 rounds and you're done. Beginners start with 3 exercises and build. This should be sustainable, not something you dread after day 2. The constant rotation means one muscle group works while another recovers, but your heart rate stays high the entire time. You're building muscle and burning fat in the same session. That's the whole game. And if you really want to accelerate your results, the exercises are only half the equation. The other half is what you're eating, and most people are quietly sabotaging themselves without even knowing it. Watch this next video to find out the 5 habits that are keeping you from getting lean no matter how hard you train.